So it rained, and it's been raining actually, and it's dangerous because now it looks like you can skate on it.
Yelling straight from Kingston, Jamaica. It's reggae flavor, you know? Let's go. All the slow lessons always
Slippery. Frozen water on the road.